In this video, we are going to explore the sizing and spacing panel within the View tab. So I'm going to select this text wrap element, which can be found in the slider module, and I'm going to work on the padding over here. In this inspector, I can either select the different paddings, for example, top or bottom padding individually, but I can also select various paddings at the same time. For example, if I select this line here, we can see that it becomes highlighted in white. This means that I'm selecting both top and bottom paddings and can alter both of these values at the same time. So I'm going to change this value to 4 rem so we can see that it has altered both top and bottom paddings of this text wrap element. Now I'm going to deselect top and bottom padding and select left and right padding to alter both these values simultaneously. So I'm going to change this value to 6 rem. I can also edit all 4 padding options simultaneously by selecting one line and then the other line. As an example, I'm going to alter the padding to 10 rem. Now we're going to leave the preview mode and select this CTA element and then go back to the View tab, to the sizing and spacing panel where we are going to alter the margins. The function to alter the margins works in the same way as the padding function works. You can alter top, bottom, left or right individually or simultaneously. So I'm going to select the top margin and alter it to 2 rem. We can see that these text elements have shifted as a result. Now I'm going to alter this element's width. I'm going to alter the min width because if I just alter the width, I could face the risk of overlapping this element with other elements. So I'm going to guarantee a minimum width. I'm going to define this minimum width of 150 pixels, which we can see has worked. Now I'm going to alter this element's top and bottom padding. So I'm going to select this line and I'm going to change it to 0.75 rem. So these were just some examples, but as you can see, it is very easy to alter the width, height, padding, and margins to space out elements and customize all of the modules that we've used in this page.